Hey there, everybody, and welcome to JP's Workshop. I am Jayani Patel, your friend, and today I have great news about Apple and India together. Yes, it's 22nd when I'm shooting this video, but yes, tomorrow on 23rd of September, Apple is launching a new thing for India only. Yes, I'll start my screen recording on my iPad and also show you what is it. So it is a very good logo of Apple and design made by some Indian artist, and it is written that mark your calendars, the Apple Store online is coming to India. Here are just some of the greatest advantages you will get when you shop with us, and I'll tell you what are the advantages. Shop with Apple specialist. It means that when you go to Apple Store physically, there is some person to show you the things. So there will be always a person attending you online. Yes, you can chat live, and also maybe there will be a call or something sort of a like thing. So they can help you about what product should you buy. Then due to COVID, there is no contact delivery for free. Yes, choose how to pay. Yes, there are different kinds of payment mode like credit, debit card, EMI, RuPay, UPI, net banking, etc. etc. Also, you can pay through your credit card or debit card on delivery. Yes, then there's a great benefit which wasn't yet available in India till now. That is, turn your old phone into a new iPhone. Turn your old phone. It is not necessary that your old phone is an iPhone. So let's peep inside. So we can see that at Apple you can exchange an eligible smartphone for credit towards a new iPhone. Just answer the few questions and will provide a trade in value to lower the price of a new iPhone, so you can turn the device you have into one you want. Yeah, that's a great feature. So you may just type your device and they will tell that how much they can give discount on your new iPhone, giving away that old thing. Then here it is that make your new Mac your way. Oh wow, that's a great thing. Uh, I would like to tell you that outside India, in like countries like USA, Canada, UK, there are option that you can build your own Mac or MacBook. Like you can put how much gigs of RAM you want, how much gigs of memory you want, and also you can choose some option between the processor. So that thing is coming to India right now. Till now it was not available, only the fixed models were available in India. When you buy online at Apple, you can customize your Mac the way you want. Yes, it is that. Whether you need more memory, additional storage, or an extra powerful graphic card, wow. And you can now tailor make a new Mac to suit your needs right here online. Wow. Yes, that's great. And get more from your device with a free session. Yes, Apple was running free sessions in their big Apple stores outside in US and Canada. The thing is like that, if you buy a Apple Pencil and an iPad, then you get around, I don't know specifically, but they may be giving around 10 days of classes that a professional artist would come there and make you learn that how you can operate your Apple Pencil on your iPad and make great arts. So now let's see what it is. Receive a free one-to-one online sessions. Okay, they have made it online due to this COVID with an Apple specialist. When you purchase certain products online from Apple, will help you discover the amazing things your new device can do, from the basics to the top tips on choice of topics. So if you take a Mac and if you are a graphic designer, then according to your topic they will teach you graphic design. If you are interested in editing photos, then they will teach you softwares like Photoshop and anything. And also if you are into some coding thing, then there will be available the coding classes or maybe some video editing classes. So there will be many different things according to your choice of topics. Yes. Then we have got you covered Apple Care Plus. Yeah, Apple Care was available, but accidental damage has been included, and because Apple makes the hardware, operating system, and many applications, our experts ac- understand just how everything works together, which means they can help. Yeah, that's not a new feature, right? Yes, Apple Care was available in India, though they have written as a new feature so that people get more excited about this thing. And Apple's support is on call or chat. Yes, this feature was also available back last month only. My iPhone 6s was showing only 70% of the battery life. So I called the Apple Care near me, that is Unicorn. So they told me that it will cost you 3,500 rupees only. That is too much for an 5-year-old phone. But yes, they also support us on call, and also in the Apple website, if you go for chat support, there was a chat support available. So the last two features which they are showing are not new. That's the whole thing, bro. So that's it. Also, I would like to tell that the new Apple Watch Series 6 has been launched with two new colors, that is red, the red edition, and the blue color, which is great, great, great. And also, they have launched the Apple Watch SE, which is a slight budget Apple Watch, which everyone can maybe buy. But though they have overpriced everything, the starting point of the Apple Watch Series 6 is 40,900, which is too much. It is around 11 to 12,000 expensive than it is available in the US. And the Apple Watch SE is 29,900, so it is 30,000, which is also good price. But at that price, you can get an Apple Watch Series 6 in US or Canada maybe. Yes. Also, the new iPads have been launched by Apple. That is great. The iPad 8 is very under underestimated thing it is, like, because the iPad Air is made to be a slightly lower end than the normal iPad, and in this iPad 8 they have put the A12 chip, which was coming in iPhone 10s. Okay, so that's not a great thing. And the most exciting iPad is the iPad Air 4th generation, because they have made the design like the iPad Pro, and the processor is, yes, it's a great thing. First time Apple has launched their new processor, that is Apple A14 chip, in the iPad. Otherwise, every year they did that. They first launched the new processor in the iPhone, and then they will gradually launch it for the upcoming iPads. But yes, it was alas that no iPad, no iPad got the A13 chip. Yes, people waited for a new chip in the iPad for 2 whole years. That's not done, Apple. That's not done. So that's it. I would like to wrap it here. So stay tuned at JP's workshop. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram, peace.